In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to replace the batteries inside of the controllers of your Meta Quest 3S. So the first step, okay, you're gonna take your controller and you're gonna notice there is a small triangle button right over here on one of the side. Same thing on the other controller, there's a triangle with a small line. It's very hard to see, but there's a line there. You simply need to press on it because this is a button, press, and the cover will pop. Sometimes it will fall down. Simply remove the cover and here we go. This is the battery. To remove the battery, well, it's very easy. Just push it from the down position here up, remove it, take a new battery. It also works with rechargeable batteries, which will be a lot cheaper on the longer run. I'll put links in the description if you want to get some rechargeables. Put the battery back. And now to put back the cover, you simply need to glide it until you hear a click. And this is about it, very easy. Let me do it here too, since we're here. See, by pressing the button, this comes out. I simply need, with a nail or, you know, if you have another small tool like a knife, you can remove the battery and put back the cover. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like. Check my Amazon links in the description down below. If you want to get some accessories for your Quest 3, you also support my channel the same way. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.